Okay, now the Audi A4 B9 has installed down the brakes and the wheel rails for this. Check it. It's front brakes with the wheel rails and also installed the inter and the rear brakes and rear body kit. This is the original car parts, original car wheel rims. This one, the ET brand rear brakes, and this front brakes. But this time it's 275, 35, and 19 inch. Okay, this is the Audi A4 B9.5. So this 2045, 35 and 19 inch. Also the Audi A6 C8. The A6 is here, the 255 and the 20 inch for the Audi A6 C8, 20 inch, and the Audi A4 B9, the 19 inch. This also the 19 inch A4 B9 and the A5 B9.